Oh, hello. Welcome back to the box room. David Bradley here. So I have in front of me some things that have never been opened. Installed this version 3. Stop! Carefully read the terms and conditions of the license agreement accompanying this diskette before breaking the seal. Opening the diskette package indicates your acceptance of these terms and conditions. And there we have install disk. I think it's at version 3.0. And Amiga fonts. And of course the same warning on the back. Version 3.0. Never opened. Never. Then we have discs. What are these? Guaranteed 100% error-free verbatim data life. MF1 double density. I believe probably these. I believe there are 25 of them. Stand by. Oh, do I really need... Yeah, they used to sell them in batches of 25. Anyway, brand new. Never used. But are they good? That is the question. And there are some discs here. Gold Star. MF2. Double density. High technology. Lifetime warranty. 100% certified. Double-sided. Double density. In a couple of languages. These were obtained. Good golly, does that really look like it? It could be. Hang on. Ugh. Yes, these were obtained from Canadian Tire for $11.99. As a price code, not a price code, a product code of 69-137-0, number 169, $11.99. I would like to think that these will work on an Amiga. I would like to think. I will put them there. Now, is this doing anything to tidy up the desk? No, not at all. So what I think I will do now, as I have a moment, is this is the hard drive that I was tinkering on. I think what I'm going to do, see, I opened it up hoping to find some way, like in the old hard drives in the bottom, to find a place that maybe, possibly, there was a chance to lubricate. But that is not the case. And these screws are tiny. And I don't want to get them all back in before I open up the top. Which I'm not doing today. I did ponder it today, but I'm not doing it today. So I'm just feeding the screws in a little bit to make sure that I can get them where they all line up. There are 6 screws that hold the board in. 22 of them go to a little thing that looks like a weird chip with pins only out one side. Alright. So all the screws are in place. So we'll cinch them down. A little bit, just snug. So, the bottom of this hard drive is again secure. It is. What we're going to have to do, when I'm brave, is to take off the screws on the top. And there are also these stickers here That's a void. And, sorry, warranty void if seal broken. And I think what's under there, from what I saw on the video, it'll be kind of a thing where I actually have to find kind of a nut driver. So I do want to figure that out before I venture into taking the Quantum Pro Drive apart. I do. Now, I have two other batches of screws here. Look, it's an empty disc box, which is always a good thing. Maybe I will put these discs, the brand new Amiga discs, never opened, into, if they would fit. They have plastic on them. They will sort of fit, so I'll put them in there. Set them there. Now, I did open up a couple of things. Right, okay. I know what that is. There are 5 screws. That's to put the hard drive and the board back in to the Amiga. The board that held the hard drive is an A2091 controller. Made by Commodore, or made for Commodore, somehow made under their name. And the 5th screw is to hold the slot in place. Now, I did open up an Amiga 2000 power supply because I thought I could just disconnect the fan, which of course didn't work out. But I got to have a look inside the power supply. But I avoided the sacred Commodore warranty. Oh well. Anyway, very industrial, these things. That was one thing about inside the machine. It didn't really. Hello, screw. It didn't really matter what things looked like. For example, like inside the pets. Why is that not lining up? Why is nothing lining up? Oh, that's lining up. Alright. I'll put the screw where things line up. Anyway, like the pet. There's nothing pretty about the power supply. It's a transformer. But it's all contained in there. So it doesn't need to be pretty. It really doesn't need to be pretty. Hello. Alright. Perhaps the fingers are better. There is a bit of a spring to this metal case here. Spring. Perhaps I need to use the slightly bigger screwdriver. Oh dear. Yeah, that went well. Although it does fit well. Just getting things started is sometimes a challenge. Anyway, as always, don't reef on the screws. Okay. Alright. Just get them in. Well, when I first got them in, it was just get them. There we go. Get them in and started. And then, once again, I mean, this is kind of an industrial. It would be hard to hurt this, but I don't want to strip anything, so I will get them very secure, very snug. But I'm not going to kill myself getting them too tight. And over here, it does look like things will line up. Now, all these stickers about warning, 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 yeah, be careful. And of course, if you're not comfortable doing this, don't do it. But as long as you don't touch anything in there, or drop anything in there, it's probably okay. Alright, these are going in okay. They are. So we'll get this Amiga 2000 power supply back. Now ready to be going into another machine. Or, I mean, these things are kind of easy. When I was talking with Rudy at Rudy's Retro Intel, and was talking about trying to have like a power supply for a pet, like a board one, just that you can have on a desk. Plug in, of course, really got to take it out of a pet. But this would be great if you were working on things. You can just have it sitting. It's all secure. It's all enclosed. And it has many, many plugs. That one, the big long one, goes to the circuit board on inside the Amiga. These little dudes are power connectors for little floppy drives. Or are they? Wait a second. Yeah. They go on the floppy drives. And this one, these would go onto hard drives and things. And I believe you could get other adapters and things and stuff. Anyway, power supply back together. Oh, good. Oh. So, I think that's it for today. I think I will maybe, just because I can, and it's wise, and I don't think this will hurt anything. Well, these screws, I'm just looking at these screws that were holding the hard drive in position on, there we go. I hate losing screws. So I think it's not a bad idea. Even though I'm not fastening this to the circuit, or to the circuit board. This is what the things screw into. Now this one doesn't want to go, so maybe this is the one that goes in the back of the machine. To hold the card in place securely. And if that is the case, perhaps I will stick that in there too. So it is not lost. Alright. No piles of screws around. Funny, I have some little bags that I mark things and put things in, and of course I can't find the little bags. Alright. So blank discs are good. I will have to test them. But, I mean, right now I have 3 floppies here. I know this one pretty much works. This one, when I plug in, everything goes squirrely and nothing seems to work. And this one I've not tested. And I'm not doing that now. I would rather be working on a machine with a hard drive, which I have right here, but it doesn't want to start up anymore. Ugh. And that's about all I have to say about that. Thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see you again soon in the box room. David Bradley signing off. Bye for now.